A disturbing story on Long Island. A retired teacher charged with sexually abusing students decades ago. The charges involve two former students at two schools in Bayshore. Eyewitness News reporter Kristen Thorne live in West Bayshore with the story. Kristen, police fear there could be other victims?
Well, absolutely. When we're looking at the number of alleged victims, Sandra, yes, Thomas Bernagosi was an elementary school teacher here in the Bayshore School District, including here at Gardner Manor Elementary School from 1970 to 2000. The Bayshore School District says he has had no association with the school district since 2000. But after the school district received dozens of New York State Child Victims Act complaints, they countersued and added Bernagosi into those complaints. According to the Suffolk County DA, 76-year-old Thomas Bernagosi of Babylon has been named in 45 individual civil lawsuits under the New York State Child Victims Act. Robert Hubbard filed one of them. He says he was a student of Bernagosi's in 1976.
Sit me on his lap, wet his hands, and he would fondle me and do other things. Like I said, I don't really want to get into what he did.
The Suffolk County District Attorney is not pursuing criminal charges involving Hubbard's claim because it happened outside the statute of limitations, but is with two other claims. Prosecutors say in those claims, Bernagosi is accused of sexually abusing a student from 1989 through 1991 and another student between 1997 and 2000. Suffolk DA Ray Tierney said in a statement to Eyewitness News, the sheer magnitude of what this defendant is alleged to have committed is astounding. This defendant allegedly betrayed the trust of his students, their families, and their community. But for some people who fondly remember Bernagosi as Mr. B, they're having a difficult time believing the accusations. Robert Carrozza is one of them.
I was a student of his in 1986, 1987. I just can't imagine this ever happened. I just can't. When I was in his class, nothing of the sort untoward ever happened.
Carrozza said Bernagosi was the third grade teacher everyone wanted. He was engaging, creative, and cared deeply about his students.
This human being is one of the nicest human beings I've ever met, and I feel like his name is being dragged through the mud and shredded.
Hubbard's attorney is representing 42 other men, most of them former students of the Bayshore School District, in their complaints against Bernagosi. I did reach out to Bernagosi's attorneys. They did not get back to me. He has been released without bail, and he currently has a GPS monitor.